Hey gamers, are you looking for a mini PC that packs all the punch of a full desktop, but takes up way less space? Well, you're in luck. Today we're diving into the best gaming mini PCs of 2026 that bring power and portability together. Let's get into it. We've got the Ataman G7 PTMINI PC, and trust me, this is a beast. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 945HX, which has 16 cores and 32 threads, giving you more than enough firepower for gaming, streaming, and even heavy workloads. You've got the AMD Radeon RX 7600MXT with 8GB GDDR6 VRAM, so expect smooth and high-quality graphics on your favorite games. This mini PC comes with 32GB DDR, 5 RAM, and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, making sure everything runs fast and smooth. Plus, it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and 2.5G LAN for high-speed connectivity. No lag here. And let's not forget the two XPCIe 4.0 and PCIe 5.0 SSD slots, which means you can upgrade your storage later. With HDMI 2.1 and DP 2.0, you can connect multiple high-res displays without a hitch. Check the description below to grab your Ataman G7 Mini PC. Want a gaming mini PC that's fast, upgradable, and powerful? Click the link below to get yours. Let's talk about the Asus ROG Ally XRC72LA. This one's for gamers who want a portable but powerful system. It packs the Ryzen Z 1 Extreme chip, which runs at 3.3 GHz and pairs perfectly with the AMD Radeon GPU for excellent gaming performance. With 24GB of LPDDR, 5 RAM, and a 1TB PCIe SSD, you've got the speed and storage for modern games. The 7-inch FHD display with 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth gameplay on the go, whether you're on the couch or traveling. Running Windows 11. Home, this device combines high-end specs with portability, making it an ideal choice for gamers who don't want to compromise on performance. Click the link in the description to learn more about the Asus ROG Ally X. Need a portable gaming PC that's still super powerful? Hit the link below to check out the Asus ROG Ally. If you're a fan of retro design, the Ayaneo AM01 Retro Mini PC is for you. This one combines AMD Ryzen 75825U with 32GB DDR, 4 RAM, and 512GB SSD for smooth, lag-free gaming on the go. But the real highlight is the retro design. It has a vintage throwback look that'll make you feel like you're playing on classic gaming consoles, but with the power of modern hardware. It supports 4K output, so you can hook it up to your 4K TV or monitor and experience some stunning visuals. Plus, it's got Wi-Fi 6 for fast and stable connections. Whether you're playing old-school games or modern titles, this mini PC handles it all. Check the description below for the link to grab the Ayaneo AM01. Want a mini PC with retro vibes and powerful performance? Click the link to check out the Ayaneo AM01. Now, let's take a look at the ROG Nuke 970 full system. This one is all about power and performance. Inside, you'll find the Intel 14th Gen Core Ultra 9185H processor, which, combined with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 discrete graphics, will make gaming and rendering smoother than ever. With 32GB DDR, 5 RAM, and a 1TB PCIe G4X4 NVMe SSD, you'll never run out of space or speed. Plus, it comes with ARGB lighting and a vertical stand, so you can customize the look of your rig however you like. This mini PC is small but mighty, delivering amazing graphics and fast processing power for the most demanding games and tasks. Check the link in the description to get more details on the ROG Nuke 970. Looking for a powerhouse in a mini PC? Hit the link below to check out the ROG Nuke 970. Let's talk about the Tecno Mega Mini G1. This one is perfect for gamers who want water cooling and serious power. With the Intel i7-13 620H processor and GeForce RTX 4060 desktop GPU, you're going to get some seriously good performance. Plus, it's got 16GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD, so everything runs quickly and smoothly. What sets this one apart is the water cooling system. If you're a gamer who pushes your PC to the limit, this is a great option for keeping things cool. It's perfect for high-end gaming, streaming, and content creation. Check the link in the description for more on the Tecno Mega Mini G1. Want a mini PC that stays cool while delivering incredible performance? Click the link to grab the Tecno Mega Mini G1. Alright, that's a wrap on the best gaming mini PCs of 2026. Whether you need power, portability, or both, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more info on each of these amazing devices. Catch you next time.